Hey, it's Sally from Sally Solutions. And the next solution I found through the Wellness Company is a stain remover, cleaner, and deodorizer. This is the Solumel. It comes available in an original scent, and this one is the lemon blossom. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. The ingredients in it are 99% biodegradable. There's no chlorine bleach, there's no ammonia, there's no formaldehyde, there's no phthalates, there's no parabens. All these things that are in a lot of the products that we have in our homes that are toxic to us. Some of these products have carcinogens in them. This does not. So if you're looking for a safer alternative to help with stains, cleaning, and deodorizing in your home, Solumel may be the right product for you. I love it. Another thing that I want to tell you about the Wellness Company is that it's important to become a member, because if you are a non-member and you're shopping their store, you're going to pay $18 for a bottle like this. If you're a member, you're going to pay $11.99. So you get savings from being a member. That is the Solumel cleaner in the lemon blossom.